Right, this question here, we have 3 resistors and a voltage, right? Calculate the total resistance. So here's Ohm's law, V equals IR. But first of all, we need one resistance. We need a total resistance. So we're going to get these two guys here. These are in parallel. You see, they're like on railway tracks. So the law of combining the two of them together would be the combined. You know, we could call it R1 plus 2 like that. This is how we do it. That's the rule for when the resistors are in parallel. So instead of R2 there, I can put in 180, right? So I'm just going to rub that one out there, and I'm going to put in 180 for the amount of ohms, and I'm going to rub out R3, and our value for R3 is 90. So the handiest way of adding them together really is with the calculator. 1 over 180 plus 1 over 90, and I get 1 over 60. So that's equal to 1 over 60. So again, I can rub out that there. You can be skipping lines and writing down if you're doing it on paper, you know, the normal neat way. So that's 1 over 60. So we can see there now, because there's two on the tops are the same, so the bottoms must equal each other. So R2 and R3 combine to an equivalent resistance of 60. That's 60 ohms. Again, I'm just going to make space. So now what we have really is we can redraw this guy here, and we can put in 60 ohms there instead. So now what we have to do is add these two resistances together. Now they're in series. It's called, like I don't know, series of TV series, right? They're one after the other. So the rule there is that our total is going to equal R1 plus 60, and R1 is 100 close to 60 gives us 160. So our total for this circuit is 160 ohms, right? So now we have our total voltage as well as 160, and we're asked to calculate the total resistance. So that's the total resistance. We've done that, and now we're asked to get the current flowing through R1. So the current flowing through R1 will be the same. To get the current flowing through R1, we're going to manipulate this guy here. So some people like this type of system here. V equals I times R, and I equals V divided by R. So we have 160 for the voltage, and we also have 160 for the resistance. So that gives us a current of 1. So the total current is going to be 1 amp. That is the total current flowing through the R1 and through this one as well. So total current when it's set up like in the entire circuit.